Do you need to learn English every single day? No, this it is Jibril from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you something like if you have to learn English every single day, no days off, or if it is possible to quit while you are learning English, or to take like a vacation and so on, and come back and continue to. Back in June 2020, I start learning English online by myself and free, and I learn English every single day, no days off, no vacation. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, more than an hour every single day to continue and improve my English in that way. At the first time it was difficult. It was my listening skills and my speaking skills also was the huge. But I continue, keep up learning and listening to some native English speakers and practicing my English with other people every single day, and in the time my English improve. That's mean I want to tell you, if you want to learn English and speak English fluently and confidently, you have to do it every single day, no days off, or at least 3 or 4 times a week. Make it habit to learn something every single day in English, and you're gonna see how your English gonna improve. You have to make an agenda or a study plan to continue learn English, to know every single day what you have to do every single day, and check the result in the process to make sure that you learn something and you continue, you get progress, you continue, you have some results. If your problem at the first time was the pronunciation, work on your pronunciation. If it is listening skills, work on your listening skills. If you are an absolute beginner, work on the basis at first and continue, know your problem, work on it, improve, and speak English like a native English speaker, or speak English like a pro. Those are some advices, or some advice to continue, keep moving and improve your English.